Hey, what's up? Jigsaw here. Want to add subtitles to your videos in CapCut on your computer? In this video, I will show you the easy steps of adding subtitles to your videos in CapCut. Let's go. To begin, ensure you have downloaded and installed the software on your computer. Additionally, be sure to subscribe to CapCut Pro, as it will provide you with access to all the necessary tools for editing, particularly for generating subtitles for your video. Fortunately, I have found a good discount which you can click in the description box. CapCut offers two primary methods for creating subtitles: auto-captioning and manual text input. I primarily use auto-captioning because it's generally efficient and significantly faster than manual entry. And if needed, you can manually change the wrong parts afterwards. To do this, launch the software on your computer and tap on Create Project to start creating a new one. Now click on the Import button to add your video file to the media library. Once added, drag and drop the video onto the timeline to begin editing. The next thing to do is to navigate to the Text tab located on the left-hand side of the interface. From the options, click on Auto Captions to let CapCut generate subtitles automatically. You can then select the appropriate language. Then tap on Generate to create the captions. You can also customize the texts here on the right side of the screen by changing fonts, selecting a provided template, or adjusting the effects. Alternatively, to add subtitles manually, the same process a while ago, go to the Text tab and click on Add Text to create a new text layer. Type your desired subtitle text in the text box that appears on the video preview. Position the text box to your preferred location on the screen. Adjust the duration by dragging the edges of the text layer in the timeline to align with the corresponding audio. Repeat the process to add all the captions needed on the video. With the text layer selected, use the editing options to modify the font style. You can also apply text animations if desired to enhance visual appeal. Play back your video to ensure that the subtitles appear at the correct times and are synchronized with the audio. Make any necessary adjustments by dragging the text layers along the timeline. Once satisfied with the subtitles, click on the Export button. Choose your desired resolution, format, and quality settings. Click Export to save the video with embedded subtitles to your computer. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.